Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing these Verbena Tenuisecta Desert Jewels mix. Half ordered. Let's get that a little bit better. As you can see, half ordered annual, sowing time February to April. I'm a little bit late, a few weeks late, but it should be alright. Place seed on the surface of a good free draining damp seed compost and cover with a very fine sprinkling of dry vermiculite. I haven't got that, so I'll have to be using a little bit of compost to cover. Growing instructions: transplant when large enough to handle into 7.5cm pots for each pot. Out to 9cm ones. The height 23 to 30 centimeters, 9 to 12 inches. 35 seeds in here. So I've already done the compost. Put it in there. Give it a good tap down. Level it off. This is the peat-based compost. It's got some feed in it, so when they get going, it gives them a good feed, but not too much that it stunts the growth and damages them. So yeah, as you can see around there, I've got a few plants looking a little bit worse for wear that were allowed to dry out when we had some really hot weather last week and the week before. These should have all been potted on, so I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I'll probably get them out tomorrow or the day after, try and rescue some of them if I can. Like these over here, these are alright. They're coming back nicely. They're penstemons, and I've got some other bits and bobs all over the place. Anyway, back to Verbena. Get it open here, shall we? 35 seeds, so you want to be very careful with the seeds and make sure you get every single one of them. I shall open it here just to show you. I don't want to drop these. Look at them. Bingo. A bit more light, as you can see there. Let's get them in my palm of my hand. I don't like 35, but I'm hoping these. What you want to do with them, sprinkle them gently over your compost, try and spread them out as much as you can, and then just a little bit of fine compost over them, just like so. If you haven't got what they say, just do the best you can, basically. Yeah, so yeah, hopefully these will germinate within the next 7 to 21 days. I shall have some nice flowers this year. So that's half hardy annual. If you've got any questions regarding growing any of these plants, don't hesitate to ask, folks. Oh, by the way, water it. I water it from the top and then put it in a tray till it seeps all the way to the top, till it's all the way wet through. Then somewhere warm and well lit. Yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.